Hi, I'm Jordan, one of the co-founders of Intelligo. Now I'm going to show you how to create a breakout session. In the admin dashboard, I can click on the item that says Breakouts. No breakout rooms have been made yet, so let's create one. I can choose between two types of breakout rooms. A standard breakout room. This is a room of a fixed size, up to 30 people, which will allow people to have conversations, share their cameras, and chat amongst one another. Once it reaches 30 people, people will no longer be able to join as a participant, however, they can still view the session. Alternatively, I can create a bucket. This is a function which divides all of your attendees into smaller groups. So for example, if you had a topic and you wanted 100 people to discuss it in groups of 10, I could set a bucket, and then what I will do is I will set the maximum group size to 10, and it will automatically sort those people into groups of 10 to discuss that topic. In a bucket, you must be a participant, you can't view. So you'll see there are two different types of breakout that you might want to create on the platform.